Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a garden grow using sustainable practices. We'll explore how common kitchen scraps, including certain burger components, can be repurposed to create nutrient-rich soil. This approach not only reduces waste, but also provides your plants with a natural, robust foundation. It's an eco-friendly way to cultivate a thriving garden right at home, turning what might be discarded into a valuable resource for growth. Now, let's talk about composting burger waste effectively. You'll want to separate items like bread buns, lettuce, tomatoes, and onion scraps. It's crucial to avoid adding meat patties, cheese, or anything heavily greased, as these can attract unwanted pests and slow down the composting process. Aim for a balanced mix of greens like vegetable scraps and browns, such as dry leaves or shredded paper for efficient decomposition. Once your burger-derived compost is ready, it's time to enrich your garden soil. Spread a layer of this dark, crumbly material over your garden beds. For optimal results, mix 1 part compost with about 2 to 3 parts of your existing garden soil. This blend significantly improves soil structure, enhances its ability to retain water, and provides a slow-release source of essential nutrients for your plants, setting them up for success. With your soil prepared, you're ready to plant your garden. Select plants that thrive in your local climate and the nutrient-rich soil you've created. Ensure you plant seeds or seedlings at the correct depths and with adequate spacing to allow for proper growth. Remember to water your garden consistently, especially during dry periods, and regularly check your plants for any signs of stress or pests to ensure a bountiful harvest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.